I want to speak to young gay men, 30 years downwards. Yeah, young. So that I'm gonna be comfortable to call you batabam. But really, it's this young J abangan, 30 years downwards. Listen to me, my boys, very carefully. It's very difficult to cure the STI anally. Because remember, to the anus kunama folds. The anus is an elastic angit. So uma ngabuya toilet uvula iyavuleka then iyagoqana. It's got folds. And kulawa folds lawo, remember infection it gets entertained kwi area warm. And back there's E. coli. So this E. coli ingenza kube difficult ukuthi securishe STI if when you're gonna have reoccurring infections at the back there. I want to warn you. I want to warn you about something, but there are these married men that keep on taking advantage of you, having sex with you, because they've got issues in their marriages and they can't solve issues or they've got issues with their sexuality. But at the same time they are busy using you. If they are honest with a sexuality and if they are not honest to their wives, already ama marriages kunamanga. And when you open your bums to them, akufaki infection. And don't think ukutulala nawe kuphela. This guy akalali nawe kuphela because if indoda inenkinga emshadweni kube ngathi ikhanda lisebenzi. And now this is another danger. If kukuthi you risk your bums ukutulale nalendoda, there is cheating unkosikazi wayo. Do you think unkosikazi wakhe aka cheat? Listen to me. Wives do cheat. Wives do cheat. So imagine the wife is cheating. You do not know how many people, but the wife is cheating. Lo cheater no wife asazulala nabangaki. Yonke lento it's coming iza kuwe. Wena that osetshenziswayo for ucansi. Don't be careless ukuthi ube careless ngempilo yakho and uyinikele to this man ebhizi engazazi noma he is straight or he is gay kodwa using you. Because you're going to have a syphilis. You're going to have a cancer of the anus. And you don't even do a pap smear of the anus. I'm begging you, be careful of your lives. Go and check his status. I spoke to you to the previous video ngathi gay people are more exposed with HIV due to ukuthi i-anus iyashesha, like number one ithambile and number two ukulimala, bruises and whatsoever, it's easy, then it enters HIV again. So I just want you to warn you. I'm warning you. Stop being used by these married men. Stop being a comfort of these married men that are using you. If he loves you, akadivorce unkosikazi wakhe eze kuwe. If he loves you, don't be used. You don't want to be caught up with confusion of a person that does not know his sexuality yakhe. Confused in sexuality, confused unkosikazi wakhe uqambela unkosikazi wakhe amanga. Please don't. It's very difficult to treat the STI yasenqe batabam. It's very difficult because of the area. So love yourself enough. Love yourself enough.